So far we have been returning data as JSON, which in raw format looks like this. Now obviously we do not want to be serving this up to our users. We want to make this a bit prettier and render it as HTML. So to do that, the very first step is to create a view. So usually our views are found in the resources folder, views, create a new file which you're going to call movies.blade.php. Now movies.blade.php, you might remember from our last lesson we talked about the about page, the blade.php. So you can look more into templating from there. Okay, so here's where we are. So let's go right ahead and create the content. Just gonna create a table. So of course here what we have is let's see, let's create our headings. So the first thing is C1, 2, 3. So what we have, the first one is title, genre, and rating. So what you're interested in. That's what the user will be interested in. So we have title, genre, and rating. Useful. Then let's go back right here. Let's go ahead and create more contents here. Such. Now we are going to use something to loop over this one. Let's see. We are gonna use this. We're gonna use this particular structure to loop over our data. So we're gonna do it. So of course you can see this, it is in docs 5.1 blade in the loops section. So that's how we'll do it. Go right ahead and write at for each movies as a movie. That's it. So we're gonna loop there, creating new columns for each movie, and then we're gonna end for each loop there. That's the syntax, right? Yeah, syntax end for each. So this highlighting. This is the syntax end for each. Okay. So you're gonna change this. You're gonna put this as movie. Okay, specifically you need to put this out. You can render it. So you have movie, then title. That's just gonna copy this out. Just gonna copy it down here. Let's paste it out. Sorry, let's paste it there. Just gonna paste it here as well. Then we delete this. Okay, so the first one is the title, then the genre, then the rating, like that. Now we need to inject this particular movies folder there. So let's just go right there and see our roots file is. Just want to open the roots file. Now we're gonna comment all this out once more. So I want to remove all this. Then we create the variable movies here. Like this, movies is equals to, again, app movie all. So here we're fetching all movies. Then we want to return this particular view which we talked about, which is just called movies. Then into it you're gonna feed the movies. So let's do that. See what it turns. called undefined variable movies. Oh yeah, we need to put this in an array. So we're just gonna say movies. We're gonna assign that one, but it just needs to come as an array to work. Voila, there we have it, all our content as HTML. So let's do that. Let's create our template and let's put in the data.